Namaskar. Welcome to another episode of Editorial. The Supreme Court asked the government if they could grant 4 lakh rupees for the COVID victims, people who died of COVID, to their family. The government said, no, we can't. The question I want to ask tonight is, why? Why can't we? Let's get right into the show. According to the Government of India, 3.91 lakh of people have lost their lives due to COVID. 3.91 lakhs. Mind you, these are government figures. The Supreme Court asked the government whether they could pay 4 lakh rupees to the family of people who lost their lives to COVID. To which the government said that resources of the government has limits, and that the entire state disaster relief fund would be depleted if you give that 4 lakh rupees. This is what the Ministry of Home Affairs told the Supreme Court. They said, we cannot give this money. Paisa khatam ho jayega. Money will be depleted. The question I asked tonight is why? Why will the money be depleted? Let me share some facts and figures with you before I go ahead. We are talking about 4 lakh rupees for 3.91 lakh people, roughly translating to 16,000 crores. A little less than 16,000 crores, but for easy calculation, let us talk about 16,000 crores. So the government says, I cannot give 16,000 crores. My money will be depleted. Now let us understand our GDP for starters. Our GDP in rupees in 2019-2020 was 134.4 lakh crores. I repeat, 134.4 lakh crores. And our government says, we cannot give 16,000 crores. We bought an aircraft for the Prime Minister, President, and Vice President. That aircraft costed around 8,000 crores. But our government says we cannot give 16,000 crores for people who died of COVID. And possibly a lot of them did because of the way the COVID was mismanaged. Because they couldn't get the right treatment. Because possibly the treatment didn't reach them on time. Government says we can't. Central Vista, by 2024, when it is supposed to be completed, will end up costing 18,000 crores. I don't say this. It is in Wikipedia. I am just quoting the Wikipedia. 18,000 crores is what Central Vista will cost by 2024 when it is over, according to Wikipedia. The government says we don't have 16,000 crores to pay for the COVID victims. Loan worth 8 lakh crore were written off by Indian banks in the last 1 decade, 10 years. And in 2019-20, that is 1920 last year, the total money written off, because these rich men took the money and couldn't pay back and didn't want to pay back, went out of the country, defrauded the bank, was 2,36,312 crores. I repeat, 2,36,312 crores, and the government says we cannot pay 16,000 crores for COVID victims. The question I asked tonight is, can't we afford 16,000 crores? By the way, the Prime Minister last year had announced 20 lakh crore of relief. Where is that 20 lakh crore of relief? If from that 20 lakh crore of relief, can't you take a little money out and give 16,000 crores to the people who have passed away? Isn't that possible? Now, let me tell you, The Economist published a report on the 15th of May, 2021. According to this report of 15th of May 2021, they created a model. The model was to gauge the exact number of deaths that happened in a country but the country did not report it. And according to this model and according to this publication called The Economist, in India, they believe 1 million people have lost their lives. They believe that. We don't. We say 3.91 lakh of people have lost their life. They say 10 lakh people have lost their lives. This is the difference. In fact, according to the US Center of Disease Control and Prevention, excess deaths are typically defined as the difference between the observed number of deaths in a specific time period and the expected number of deaths in the same time period. The Economist estimated that there is a 95% probability that COVID death toll worldwide is between 7.1 million and 12.1 million, with a central estimate of around 10.2 million. They believe that on an average, 10.2 million people died of COVID in the pandemic. That is, 1.2 crore people have died of COVID worldwide. This is what they believe. And they believe, according to their model, according to their calculation, they believe 1 million people lost their lives. Is the government not keen on giving that 4 lakh rupees, that is that 16,000 crores of rupees, which I believe that a country of our size, a country with our economy can afford? Are we not giving it is because we don't want to open up Pandora's box. Because when we start giving money, people whose family members died of COVID, they will start standing in the line. And somewhere then, we will realize that the number that we are talking about, that the number that we projected and the actual numbers are two different things. Is that the reason why the government is not coming ahead, as the government is not agreeing to pay the measly 4 lakh rupees to the family of the COVID victims? Is that the reason why? I don't know. This is the question I want to ask tonight. So before I end the show, I would like to give you a good news. The Enforcement Directorate has seized around 18,000 crores of assets from Vijay Mallya, Mehul Choksi and Nirav Modi. 18,000 crores. The total they own, the banks, various banks, is around 22,500 crores. Now, out of the 18,000 crores which these people have seized, they have already transferred around 9,000 crores to the bank, and the rest is being transferred in stages. Fair enough. Very good. Good news. Now, a year back, we had spoken to the Economic Offence Wing, the Joint Commissioner Police, Economic Offence Wing of Mumbai Police, about PMC Bank. Even he had told me that, the amount was seized for PMC Bank. 4,500 crores of PMC Bank from the Vadhvans and others were seized, and the money was being given to the RBI. What I wonder is, why is it that PMC depositors have not yet got the money? The police have done their job. That is what the Joint Commissioner of Police told me. The police have done their job. They have recovered the money. They gave it to RBI. I wonder what stops RBI from giving the depositors their money. A lot of people have died. A lot of people are committing suicide. A lot of people are in disarray. Why is it that the RBI is not helping them? Why is it the Ministry of Finance not helping them? Everybody is giving them a cold shoulder. Nobody is willing to listen to their problems. Every day I see they write, they tweet, and they do poster campaigns, and they do dharnas, and they do, all sorts of things. They're kind of desperate. It's time that the government takes them seriously and does something for them. I hope there is some justice for the PMC, the Punjab and Maharashtra Bank account holders. I hope they get justice. I hope they get money. Till I see you next time. नमस्कार.
पता है, इन सब लोगों में एक चीज कॉमन है. गैस करिए क्या? नहीं पता? चलिए एक हिंट देती हूँ. ये सब आपके परिवार से जुड़े हैं. अरे, फिर भी नहीं पहचाना आपने इन्हें? चलिए कोई बात नहीं. वैसे भी ये लोग पर्दे के पीछे ही तो काम करते थे. इन सब की डेथ हो गई है कोविड से, ताकि आप और आपका परिवार सेफ रह सके. और यही तो है परिवार का मतलब. अपनों की रक्षा करना। जो हमारे लिए जान दे सकते हैं वो अपने सगे नहीं तो फिर कौन है? मुंबई पुलिस।